next rudiment starts like the second one, shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, but then you're going to do a 5-count riff walk on the other foot. The next rudiment is very similar to the second one we did, the one that went shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. You're going to start with that exact thing, but then the other leg is going to do a 5-count riff walk. Toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Okay, let's talk about this little riff walk here. When you do it, for this particular exercise, you really want to separate the sounds. We're not going to blur the riff at all. It's going to be two very distinct sounds. When you hit the toe, you want to hit the front corner, kind of by what we refer to as the top screw on your tap shoe. So the screw that's at the top closest to your toes. You're trying to hit that spot right there. That's your toe. Then you come through your scuff. Then you drop the opposite heel. You do a heel dig and a toe drop. So it's 5 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now typically when you do a riff walk, you change your weight. For this exercise, we are not going to change your weight. You're going to do that riff walk and leave your weight back on the other leg so you can pick it up to start the other side. Okay, so here's the combination. You're going to do shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel on the right foot. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Then you're doing the 5-count riff walk on the left foot. Toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. There's a 1-beat pause, then you pick up the left foot and do the second side. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. 5-count riff walk right. Toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. All right, let's kind of put this together and do several of them in a row. So starting with that right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. So you're starting with the right foot and you're going shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. 1 and 2